Hi again, YouTube. Monsieur Balisong here for a unboxing and first impressions of the Spasm Fingers Heron, which came in very cool packaging. Luckily, we have a very sharp knife to open it up. That was gorgeous. That was an amazing cut. I don't want to spoil it. Yeah. Okay. Now, if you don't know anything about this knife, this may be confusing to you, but I'll get to those later. You get a bag of balls. That looks nice in the light. The gold and jade looks really nice. Alright. Nice and secure in there. Ooh. Jade G10. I think that's a beautiful color. Very sticky. In the best way possible. Not sticky like raw titanium can be, but sticky like it holds there when you need it to, but it won't stick to your fingers when you don't want it to. So let's do the first Y2K. That was nice. That was definitely very nice. So this is called the Spasm Fingers Heron. This is a brass blade. It looks like it might be cast. Not sure. There's some filaments inside the blade. And so the way that this knife works is that you can actually change the handle bias with these balls right here. That's what the bag of balls is for. So you take the whole knife apart, and then you can replace with the plastic balls, which would make it really light, and then the steel balls, which would make it medium. Brass balls are going to be heavier than steel, so that's going to give you the most handle bias. So I'm sticking with these because I like bias. And that's definitely something I'm hearing in my first impression is it does come with a little bit of tap, which isn't a horrible thing. Just hope that doesn't get worse. Let's check out the play. It's like my replicant. So this uses a bearing system I've never seen before. So think about like a skateboard bearing. Oh, it's getting sketched up. It's a skateboard bearing where it's a whole bearing, and then you get a peg that goes through it like that. Where these bearings are like the washers come in contact with the knife blade itself, and it's a much different type of bearing system. You can see my Lucha disassembly review, you'll see how different it is, but there definitely is a difference in play with the handles. And it is handle bias? Let's test it out. How handle bias is this? Okay, good thing life isn't more. There's your difference in bias. Very similar bias to the Kershaw Luca. But I think this is just a little bit more blade bias because you see the blade on this comes out further, meaning that the handles are going to be a little bit heavier to the blade as compared to the handles heaviness compared to this blade. Well, I'm going to flip it a little bit, get a feel for its flipping. It does pen spinning fine. Huh. Oh. Nope. Choker fan is very smooth. Yeah, definitely more blade bias than I'm used to. But as a result, it fans like crazy. Horse choker fans like nobody's business as a result of that. Nope, that didn't work. Ooh, yeah, it doesn't throw into chaplains as quickly as like a replicant would. You gotta kind of force that a little bit. Interesting. Well, that's my first impressions and unboxing of the Spasm Fingers Heron. Definitely gave my opinion on some things. I plan on giving a review to this, but this is just a honest first impressions, opinion, and unboxing. Peace.